Kuala Lumpur is Malaysia's capital city. With millions of car users on the road, the government always tries to improve the road facility to smooth the traffic around the city. At Bandar Tasik Selatan, 17 March 2021, a crane collapsed and fell into an active road. The accident happens on Suk Highway in a project to improve the highway. The construction of Suk cover high density area and involving construction above road. From the accident, the crane took 3 construction workers' lives, causing another 2 injured workers and 1 road user. The crane collapsed, damaged part of the highway, and the road closed temporarily for safe and rescue.
And now, we're moving to the cause of disaster for BMMV's elevated expressway train collapse. Based on the update released by Ministry of Datuk Fadilah Yusof, the root cause for the incident is still under investigation. Therefore, the root is still unknown. However, based on our observation and study, we can deduce some potential causes that can play a major role in this incident. At the meantime, certain government bodies such as CIDB, LLM, and Fire Rescue Department of Malaysia will re-evaluate the safety precautions and resume the construction at the site. The crane incident is not an uncommon or new thing that happened in the construction site. Therefore, one of the main reasons for crane incident is the capacity exceed or unsecure load. Crane is designed to carry and lift heavy objects from one place to another. However, despite of this ability to carry heavy load, there are certain limitations to the crane, depending on its design and model of the crane. Constant overloading and unsecure load fitting by the crane will lead to its components tear and wear faster than expected. Therefore, an unexpected breakdown can happen anytime. In Malaysia, based on a recent study written by Abdul Hamid, crane topple and overturn represent the highest percentage of type of crane accident for the past 6 years, with 39% compared to another kind of crane accident. This means crane topple and overturn have a highest frequency to happen compared to another type of crane incident. Crane collapsing also can be caused if the weight limit are exceeded and resulting the crane to tip over or boom could collapse. Another reason for a crane incident is employer rushing to get a construction project complete. This may encourage quick and sloppy inspection for the crane. To avoid a crane incident, a regular inspection is very important. Inspections such as preventive maintenance and predictive maintenance is very important to avoid any major damage and incident happen. When a rushing inspection is done, many aspects of the crane are not properly inspected and overlooked upon alarming sign. This will prevent any early maintenance and repair to be done before it's too late. The next main cause for crane incident is structural failure, environment, human, safety management, and site condition. Structural failure can be said for the foundation of the crane. Setting up the mounting of the crane without in-depth analysis on the footing may cause the crane more likely to topple as the foundation cannot hold the load of the crane. Environment factor play a major role in degradation of the component and rust. Without proper lubrication, conditioner, and coating, the component will deteriorate at higher rate than expected. Another major reason why this incident is a severe incident that took a lot of lives because there is no alternative road to be used by the local citizens of the community. Therefore, even though knowing the risk of taking the road, the local don't have any more plausible choice and another alternative route to be used. Therefore, if an alternative route is provided or created, this can reduce the risk and severity of the incident. That's all from the course. We move into the next chapter.
Next, for a proposal to a solution or prevention of crane accident in Kuala Lumpur. As we know that the crane are a frame structure that be made from bar joined together to form a framework. A good maintenance and inspect by a crane operator are needed to ensure there are no possible accident will happen on the construction site. We know that the type of geography at that project location at Alandamai Kuala Lumpur are hills road. For that, a good location or proper spot to place a crane tower are need to be considered to ensure the tower crane are strong enough to hold on that spot. Next, a proper maintenance is needed to make sure risk of crane falling can be reduced. Proper alignment on the crane are needed to ensure that they will not misalign or tile on one side after long period of use. By putting excessive strain on mechanism, we said that the crane operator are always need to be aware of the condition of their equipment and seek out a professional crane repair service as soon as possible if the crane are misaligned. The person in charge of that construction area are need to inspect the crane with the expert every time to spot if there are really any problem that can drag to an accident. To ensure the hook is intact, construction worker rely on the hook component of their crane to hoist extremely big load. So it's critical to make sure it's in good working order. Construction workers should inspect the hook for crack or bend on a regular basis. Therefore, employee must follow this maintenance list that are prepared and do some checkup before and after handling the crane machine to avoid this accident from happening. Second, a structural failure become other cause for the crane collapse. The common cause of crane failure is misuse of equipment. Crane operator activity and load handling must be supervised while the crane is in operation. Any mishandling of crane or swinging of its weight can be extremely dangerous. This could result in serious injury or a structural collapse, causing major damage to the crane and its surrounding. For that, any activity that using a crane are need a fully supervised by other operator to ensure there will be zero miscommunication and mistake will happen during this project.
For the third prevention and solution for this incident is, first we need to know the location where this incident happened. This incident happened on Ala Damai at the hillside of the road. So below the project is a road that connect people mainly from the southern side of Kuala Lumpur to go to Cheras as an alternative route due to crowded capacity on the main road. Safety management can be a cause for this incident to happen. The reason for the safety management to fail is a poor information distribution. Employees fail to disclose difficulties because information is segregated and choices are made behind closed door. Management information backlogs keep employees in the dark and deter from the reporting more problem. This creates uncertainty about where the data goes and whether the result in any change to combat this. For example, before this incident happened, there also a case around Suk Highway, around at Bandar Atik Selatan, where a concrete falls and smashed the car, caused the car to be in a total loss condition. The aftermath of the incident is the victim who survived take a long process to claim refund from the Prolintas developer because of the company purposely delayed the process. Next, another safety management failure that caused this incident to happen is a improper operating hours due to crowded places and improper work that held. When an incident happened, the number of fatalities can increase dramatically. The incident did not happen in peak time, but if it happened, it can cause serious problem. As a local myself, before the incident happened, there is no roadblock around the construction site, so it will be dangerous for us to pass through the road every day, every night. To avoid this problem, any work that use utilities should be done during night, and the road must be closed to avoid vehicle from passing the road. An alternative route is for safety purpose when doing an adjacent building construction. Another cause for this incident is poor developer decision by Prolintas. The company itself said they did not want to pass this project to another developer, even after there are many incidents happen under their watch.
Multiple reports and statements have been made that the developer of the Suk Highway is unqualified to handle such a project, and this allegation has been verified yet again following a succession of horrific incidents in just 6 months. Above all, the safety and welfare of public users and residents should be the top concern, and the current developer has demonstrated that they are not capable of doing so. Therefore, a new developer is needed so it can learn from the past developer to avoid the incident from happens again.